In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. This is a great way to keep your workspace tidy and organized, ensuring you can focus on what's important without clutter from tasks you've already completed. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft 365 account. Make sure you have your credentials in hand. If you're already signed in, just head to the main dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Planner. You can find it among the apps listed in Microsoft 365. Simply click on Planner to open it. If you use it often, consider pinning it to your taskbar for quicker access in the future. Now find the section labeled My Plans and click on it. This is where all your current plans are displayed, allowing you to select the one you're working with. If you've got multiple plans, perhaps for different projects or teams, you can choose the relevant one here. After opening the desired plan, you'll see a list of tasks. Locate a task that you've completed. Once you have identified this, you need to simply tick it. A neat little checkbox appears right beside it for this exact purpose. This action signals to Microsoft Planner that the task is complete. Here's the magic part. As soon as you tick a task as completed, it will automatically be hidden. This is Microsoft's way of ensuring that your list isn't bogged down with items that are already done. However, don't worry, you can still access these completed tasks if you need to review or unhide them. To view any tasks you've hidden, move your cursor over to the drop-down icon located at the top of your task list. Clicking on this will reveal all your completed tasks. This feature is handy if you need to double check something, or if you want a sense of accomplishment by seeing all you've completed in one place. Additionally, you can manage your tasks not just from the main board view, but also using the checklist view. If you prefer organizing tasks in a checklist format, you can apply the same process. Just tick the completed task and it will disappear from the active view, helping you maintain a focused list. Alternatively, switch over to the grid view tab, which offers another layout for monitoring and managing your tasks. This is particularly useful if you have a lot of tasks and want a broader overview of them. Remember, in any view, be it the board, checklist or grid, simply ticking a completed task will effectively hide it, keeping your environment streamlined and focused. With this nifty feature in Microsoft Planner, you can now easily manage your tasks, ensuring that only active and pending tasks demand your attention at any time. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps you maintain a clutter-free and efficient task management system in Microsoft Planner. Happy planning!